Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. To add items, parts, to a configuration, recommended item rules are used. Which two statements are true when using recommended item rules? Option A. Recommended item rules can return only the base price of an item, part, and cannot use dynamic prices based off data tables. Option B. If multiple recommended item rules recommend the same item, part, the item, part, price is picked from the rule that is last in the order. Option C. If multiple recommended item rules return the same item, part, the quantity of the item, part, is a total of all quantities returned by each rule. Option D. Recommended item rules can show only the base prices defined in the customer-specific module. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. If multiple recommended item rules recommend the same item, part, the item, part, price is picked from the rule that is last in the order. Option D. Recommended item rules can show only the base prices defined in the customer-specific module. Question 2. Which configuration flow would you choose to design a configurator where attributes vary based on prior user selections and have a sequential relationship consisting of distinct steps? Option A. Multi-node configuration flow. Option B. Search flow. Option C. Master start and end flow. Option D. Any configuration flow with a combination of constraint and hiding rules that meets requirements. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Multi-node configuration flow. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.